In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Sendwave from Bangladesh 2025 step by step. If you're in Bangladesh and want a simple way to send or receive money internationally, this walkthrough will get you set up confidently from start to finish. Grab your phone and a stable internet connection, and let's begin. First, install the official Sendwave app from your app store, look for the verified listing, and update your phone's software if needed for the smoothest experience. During installation, allow essential permissions like notifications, and you'll be prompted for camera access later during verification. Open the app and select your country. Choose Bangladesh so the app can show the right options, currency, and verification requirements for your location. This helps prevent account issues later on. Next, enter your mobile number. Make sure it's active and able to receive SMS since you'll get a one-time code for confirmation. Type the number carefully with the correct country code, then enter the verification code you receive. Never share that code with anyone. Create your account details by entering your full legal name exactly as it appears on your government ID. Add your email if prompted and set a strong password or passcode that you don't use elsewhere. If your phone supports it, enable biometrics for quicker, more secure logins. Now verify your identity through the KYC process. You'll be asked to scan or photograph a valid ID such as a national ID or passport and possibly take a quick selfie. Use good lighting, keep your document edges visible, and double check that your name and date of birth match what you entered earlier. You may also be asked to confirm your address. Verification can take a short time. Keep the app open or check back for a status update. After that, add a payment method. You can link a debit or credit card or another available option shown in the app. Ensure your card supports online and international transactions and that the billing address you enter matches your bank's records. You may see a small temporary charge for verification. It usually disappears automatically. You're ready to start using Sendwave. Set up a recipient, choose the payout method available for them, review the fees and exchange rate, and confirm the amount. Always double check the recipient's details before sending. You can track your transfer in real time, save frequent recipients, and manage notifications so you know exactly when funds arrive. That's it. Follow these steps, stay consistent with your ID information, and you'll be up and running with Sendwave in Bangladesh in no time.